Was that enough pardon for you? Was that enough pardon for you? Was that enough? Yes. Yes. Thank you, Zach.
Well, hello, Zach. Oh, hey, Pen. A long line of cars you shunted.
Having suggestions of how I should improve it?
No, it looks great!
Oh. Thank you, Pen.
Oh, no problem, my friend. Glad to help. Oh, fresh air. Oh, dear. I mean, Rocky, wait up. Oh, no.
Any cabooses?
Because if not, that's perfectly fine.
What?
Yeah, perfectly fine, darling.
What?
Now you pull this train with pride. This railroad is counting on you.
Okay. What did the hillbilly do to him?
Keep up the good work, Rocky. You're doing a fantabulous job.
The car! No, Pat! I've got you now, you little... Oh, no! I am disappointed, Pen. I expected more from you when your controller said you were the smart one. No more trains for you this week. You'll be shutting in the yards tomorrow until further notice.
Yes, sir.
A week, yeah. You don't understand, Frisco. Friss. Whatever. This would have never happened if I wasn't so Okay, that...
Ain't that the truth?
Stop! Stop that car!
Mr. Robbins, what's wrong?
2 men robbed my store.
In the black car?
Yes. They took all the money I had.
Now, don't you worry, Mr. Robbins. We'll get your money back.
What the... Oh, whoa! I have the right of way! The sucker's at a dead end. My house! Oh, we gotta get out of here, man. You stay where you are. Mr. Dennis, we were... I'll be sure to call the po-po for the both of you. Sorry, sir. Well done, Pan. Let's get you out.
Sorry I broke your trust, sir.
Sorry? I believe I should be sorry. Sorry to myself that I didn't punish you harsher. No, I'm just kidding. You should be sorry. But you should also be very proud.
What?
Those 2 men stole tons of things from homes, shops, markets, but thanks to you, people are getting all their stuff back. Does this mean I don't have to work in the yard anymore? Yeah. Well,
done, Penn. You're our hero.
Besides the massive heart attack you gave me.
3 cheers for Penn. Hip, hip.
All right, calm down. Let's all get back to work.
Ow, okay, no need to...
Well, I guess that settles it.
Settles what? You're not gonna be persnickety anymore? What? No, I wasn't going to say that. I was going to say the robbers. They finally got what they deserved.